Yeah,
Tadzoka Shakare.
massive. I see you, Kunai. Yeah, we about to hit him up in here. Let's go, cat. Massive, massive, I'ma hit you with a classic. Can't see me, well you better get some glasses. Catch me where the cash is, hustling trying to stack chips. Hustling trying to stack chips, hustling trying to stack chips. Not a magician, but I got a bag full of tricks. So when I'm pulling, boy, that's it. Certified hit, it's summertime when I spit. The flow is so legit, old folks know the this. So I'm back on my nutty ish, show you what gully is. The realest is wrong, can miss a moment, bring them cameras. Man of the moment, not me, but I'm catching up. Hustle every minute, homie, till we stacking up lights. Turn them on so they can see me now. Since I got flow, the nickname is the river now. Off on this beats, I'm loose, boy, I'm going wild. So turn me up like you trying to make the speakers blow. Style so contagious, you just catch it, you cannot ignore. I'm not so man, I'm so pro. And belly on the program, but I go ham, man. Forgive my French, I'm sorry for cussing. Hop in the game, the love is distant. Call it cousin, haters in my face, get your roll on. Leave me alone, let me get my dollars on. And I be holding on the microphone like real love, can let it go. Guess I'm so illegal, highs on me like po-po. Now the hot stone cold, can't feel but I listen though. Haters coming from my throat, guess every line is misquoted. Massive, massive, I'ma hit you with a classic. Can't see me, well you better get some glasses. Catch me where the cash is, hustling trying to stack chips.
Tadzoka Shakare.
I'm back at it, such a microphone addict. Got 'em all hooked, man, the flow's a bad habit. Haters gon' panic, no way out like they stranded. The eagle hands landed, lil' birdie get scared. About to make the city stand like an anthem. About to take 'em back old school, you know the feeling. Hop in the mirror, imitating like I'ma make a killing one day, someday on stage. Rip it out, part like a lion out of cage. Massive, so I go to work, can't be passive. Being told to stay up, focus and hard work will pay up. Living my dreams, chilling with beauty queens in the Bahamas. Stacking cream, living life brighter than a picture in a magazine, no drama. But that's the old me, I'm a grown man now. Trying to settle down, live righteous, can't play around. Been a lost child, now I'm trying to be found. Man, this life is foul, lead you astray and make you fall down. Massive, massive, I'ma hit you with a classic. Can't see me, well you better get some glasses. Catch me where the cash is, hustling trying to stack chips.